How to take off business on Instagram. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can remove business account from Instagram. For that, go ahead and launch open the Instagram app. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, tap on the three lines at the top right corner. This will take you to settings and activity. Now you want to scroll down a bit. If your account is business or creator account, then you're going to find the option of creator, tools and controls. Go ahead and select that. Now scroll down and select switch account type. Here you will find the option of switch to personal account. Select that. Now tap on switch to personal account one more time. As you can see, you have successfully switched to a personal account and removed the business account from Instagram. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.